All right, we got a few things left to do. Got to caulk up that box. Got to cut off the nodules and grind them down. Everything else is set up. I need that Phillips screwdriver too, the black one. There it is. I got it set at 10 seconds to close. Just to show you that the safeties work. There it is there. So the gates open back up. I'm going to stop them and close them with the transmitters. Here they are closing. Oh, I guess I stopped it. All right. There they go. They're closing. I put in my code for right now. Let me know what code that you want. There she is, closed up. Putting in my code. I think it's pound. Yeah, you press pound. And there she is opening up. Loops in the ground, it works. Already ran over it. It is literally located right here. Hey Billy, get in the truck, back it up. I'm gonna shut these gates. Loops pretty much by this second from the last tree, basically. It's right there. There it is. It's gonna start opening. All right, pull up. There she is. That's her.